Another one of those big weather makers, similar to what we saw back in December, will be impacting most of the region over the next 48 to 72 hours. Hello everyone, I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurt. Let's take a look at the latest forecast models. And again, we have this atmospheric river that's moving in from north of Hawaii, being drawn up into the polar jet stream, and moisture off the Pacific being pulled in here as well. And this is what we call an atmospheric river. What that means, there's a tremendous amount of warm, moist subtropical moisture being pushed into the Pac Northwest. But right now, winter storm warnings are out for west central and northwestern areas of Montana. The Bitterroot Range, the Sapphire Range could be looking at 1 to 3 feet of snow, as well as central Idaho up here around Glacier National Park. More than likely, there will be additional winter weather highlights issued out here near Cook City and then back into Yellowstone National Park, because our forecast models are showing the potential for 1 to 2 feet of snow developing there as we go through Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into Saturday morning. But the entire state of Montana will be dealing with possible damaging wind gusts. We already have a high wind warning out for the Butte, Anaconda, Deer Lodge areas back towards Missoula, Bitterroot Valleys up towards Kalispell. That's Wednesday evening through Thursday evening. Areas east of the Divide right now we're under a high wind watch, but the low end potential peak wind gusts are around 60 miles per hour. Some of our forecast models have high end top winds 70 to 80 miles per hour down in the valley. So this is a very potent wind event setting up, again, mainly Wednesday evening through Thursday. And some of these winds could drag on into early Friday morning, but winds are going to be possibly creating power outages and property damage as we get into Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. And again, look at the snowfall forecast. These areas in pink, again, along the Rocky Mountain front, along the Montana-Idaho state line, and the Bitterroot chain in central Idaho, and then even in the upper Big Hole region around Wisdom, Anaconda, Pittler Wilderness areas around Georgetown Lake could be dealing with some significant snow out of this as well. And then again, a third little bullseye down here towards Yellowstone National Park, back into the Absaroka-Beartooth Range, could be dealing with several feet of snow. Fantastic news, but there is a significant warming trend coming next week. We could be back up in the 60s and 70s, and we'll talk about that tonight at 4:30, 5:30, and 10 o'clock.